Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this is about a little laser tip. A couple weeks ago, I just shared this file on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw, all one word, file share, and I put it in the file section. I have two files. One of them is for a 50th wedding anniversary, and it's a really neat gift. It doesn't take very long. Go to Hobby Lobby and buy you a frame. I did 11 by 14. But when I ran this job, I had a piece of plywood in my bed where you can see that's bigger than I needed. But I needed to miss a place where they'd replace the wood, and also there was a really rough spot right in here. So I set a new home, and so that's what the video is about. On a job like this, especially one that you did not draw, and I drew this, but I've recreated it a couple times and changed it. Don't ever run a job like this as a combo job. And you can do it two ways. You can break it apart and select the box and run just the outline to cut it out. But it just so happened, it happened to me today running this job. I didn't run a combo job. So I moved the outline out of the way and I engraved it. Well, while it was running, I engraved this really deep so I get some good detail and some depth. Because if you don't have some depth, when you sand off this flower, a lot of people use mask and tape and stuff and other tapes but it's so hard to get the stuff off sometimes, and I just like sanding. I'm a woodworker. So it took 34 minutes, and then I moved that out of the way, and then I moved this back to do a cut line. But then while it was running, took 34 minutes, I'm playing with the computer and I changed pages and I was doing some weird stuff inside Corel. That's how I've learned some stuff. I just play. Well, I locked up Corel and I couldn't get back to this file. Well, if I had not sent both files to the laser, I would have just wasted 34 minutes in a piece of wood, because I wouldn't have been able to get it back in this exact spot because I created a new home. So whenever you do a combo job, go ahead and send it to your laser as both jobs. And your laser, and I shouldn't speak to all lasers, but epilogue laser for sure, which I have. So this was job one and the outside is job two. So no matter what happened to my computer or Corel Draw, I could still finish the job and be accurate. And you can see it. And this is after sanded. And like I said, if you don't go deep, and I actually sanded away a little bit of the burn here, but mainly I was more concerned around the face and the flowers, because that's a pretty big area to sand with an orbital sander. And then all you do is slap this in a frame and call it a really good gift for not much money and not much time. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.